Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Omegle on phone. So if you search the Omegle, there is no Omegle anymore. So as you can see, the Omegle is turned off the service. But there is so many alternatives out there you can use, such as Ome TV on the Play Store. You can search Ome TV here, or the another alternative. Sorry, this one, the Ome TV. It's similar with a Omegle. You can find your a stranger to chat with you, to make a video call with you, and from another country. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.